Hi, today I am going to make this very pretty candle set in sand and very easy to make. Ready in a few steps. To make this candle I am going to use sand, ordinary sand, some wax. If you don't have this, you can use ones left over from your old candles. This is a slightly thickish cord or string, a wax crayon. This is for the mold, so you can use any box or any bottle that you want to use. A wooden stick and a long skewer for stirring. So in the sand now I'm going to add water. Let it sink in, the water, and then just sort of mix it. Like so. I'll just mix it properly. After it has become wet properly, now take this whatever mold that you want to use and just press it. To get the impression. So this is how it will look. Now I'll just take a wooden skewer and make a hole in the center. Like this. So I've put some water in the saucepan and let it boil, and then I've put wax in another bowl, and after it starts boiling I'll just sort of put it in the water and let it melt. This is a safer way. Don't put wax directly on the flame because it can burn. So the water has started boiling now. I'll just put this in this and let the wax melt. I also put this wax crayon in this for color. So you can use any wax crayon for any color. I'll just let this melt. As you can see, the wax is also, the crayon has melted and it's become a nice pink color, and the wax is almost there, almost melted. So I'll just melt the entire thing. See, the wax is melted. Now I've cut a string, a small piece of string. So I'll just put it in this. Let it soak a bit first, and then just take it out. Let it dry. So the string has dried and become stiff. So I'll just insert it in the hole that we made earlier and just tap the sand around it. Now just take these two wooden sticks, and put them across like this so that they hold the string up. Like so. Now I'll just take this wax and just pour it gently. In the mold. I'll just melt some more and fill it up till the brim. After it has set, just remove these sticks and you can easily pull out this candle. And just take a brush, a slightly hard brush, and brush off the extra sand. You can even use this to remove this. And cut this wick right at the edge. And you get a candle like this. So I'll just remove this extra sand also. So this is how it's going to look. Now I'll just sprinkle some glitter, pink glitter on it. So when you light it, the glitter will shine off it. Like so.